Alright, so we're going to talk today about proportions, and a proportion simply is just two ratios that are equal. So if you're thinking of terms of fractions, so 1/2 is equal to 5/10. And we can test whether or not these are true by cross multiplying. 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 5 is 10. But sometimes in math, you're given three things and you have to find the fourth. So let's take 3/8 equals something in 20ths. Now I don't know what 8 times 20 is, or what I can multiply 8 to get 20 is. So I'm going to solve this as a proportion. So what I do to solve this, I'm going to take the two numbers that are crossed like I did before and multiply them. So I'm going to do 3 times 20, which is 60. And then 8 times whatever my unknown. I just made it an x, just for fun. So I have 8x equals 60. Now I have a one-step problem I can solve. So I'm going to divide by 8. 8 will go into 60 7 times with 4 left over, and 4/8 would equal 1/2. So this is 7 1/2. Alright, so let's go through a couple more of those. Alright, so now I have 2/5 equals 44 over h. So again, multiply. So 2 times h is 2h. And that equals 5 times 44. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2, so 22. So 2h equals 220. Divide by 2, divide by 2. H is equal 110. So it really doesn't matter where the unknown is in your problem. You're still going to follow the same steps to solve it. So let's say we have an unknown on the other side. So we'll call it a over 4 equals 15 over 6. So again, cross multiply. 4 times 15 is 60, equals 6 times a is 6a, divide by 6, and a equals 10. So now we're going to explore a few word problems. Alright, so let's explore this in a word problem. So a runner can run 7 miles in 56 minutes. How long does it take to run 3 miles? So we set up a ratio. 7 miles, 56 minutes. Now I encourage you to write your units with this because it's easy to see if you set these up wrong. There's more than one correct way to set it up, but there's also some wrong ways to set up. And so you always want to make sure you're putting whatever your units are on the same level. So since my miles are on top in my first ratio, they need to be on top in my second ratio. So 3 miles, and I don't know how many minutes, so I'll just put an X there. So again, we're going to do the same steps to solve this. 7 times X is 7X, and then 56 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus the 1. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus the 1 is 16. So now I have 7X equals 168, so I'm going to divide by 7. 7 goes into 16 twice, with 2 left over. 7 goes into 28 4 times. So x equals 24. So our answer, the runner can run 3 miles in 24 minutes.